Good afternoon. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to create a MetaMask wallet. And unlike the previous video I made, I'm going to take it slowly and step by step so that you can be able to follow all the way till the end. So let's get down to this video. Now, before we speak about this video, I'd like to say that nothing on this video is financial advice and should not be taken as such. Everything is my own opinion and should be taken as such. So now, to create a MetaMask wallet, I would first get the MetaMask extension. So the first thing, you go down to more tools. Right here you see extensions. You click on that and then it opens up the extension page with all the extensions presently being used by you. Now you scroll down to get more extensions. It opens up a new page. And all you need to do after this new page has opened up is to search for MetaMask extension. Now, extensions are just going to be like ad blocks on the PC, which will just be at the top right hand corner, as you can see there. So MetaMask, sorry, not MetaMask. MetaMask, and here we have it, MetaMask. You click on that and all you need to do is to add to Chrome and all that. Now, after doing this, you'll just close all these pages and click on the MetaMask icon right at the top right hand corner of the PC. Now you have a pop-up which talks about privacy, terms and conditions, and we accept to all these terms and conditions. You have to scroll to the bottom of this to get the other one. You click accept again, and then you'll be given the option to put in your password. So I will just generate a random password since I will not be using this account, but make sure that when you do this, you keep your password safe and don't lose them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So I'll do the same thing down here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So I'll create an account, and now the next step is that you'll be given from 12 to 24 words which you should keep safe. Now, these words are seed phrases which generally would serve the function of restoration. In case you lose access to your account, this will be the way you will be able to get your funds. Now, without access to these funds, to this 12 words, and you should remember to always write them down as they are. The first one comes first and the last one comes last. Do not mumble them up. So generally I advise you copy them all on a sheet of paper, but for the purpose of this video I am going to be using this sticky note page, and here we have these 12 words. Make sure you cross check to make sure that they are exactly what is meant to be, and then you say I have copied somewhere safe. Now, saved seed words as a file is okay, but it's very risky. Now you have to make sure that you move these files offline, because once your PC gets compromised, it just means that you stand to lose the entirety of your funds. So you don't want to have this happen to you. So I have copied it somewhere else, and now you have your account set up. Here you have your address. You can choose to view your address on Etherscan. You can see the QR code if you want to send using a QR code, and here you have your address. Now I'd like to state that the address given by MetaMask is an ERC20 token address, so it means you can easily send funds like other ERC tokens to this same address, and you can also use this address for creation of an MEW wallet, which is my Ether wallet, or also my crypto wallet, I think, since the split. So now you have the address, You can choose to change the name, and then you can receive funds, and so on and so forth. Now, a bonus is how to add a new address account. Now, all you need to do to create a new ERC20 token is just to come down here and click create account, and here you have a whole new account created with an ERC20 token name, and that is that on the creation of an ERC20 Metamask account. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give us a like, and why not click the subscribe button and also the notification button, because we have so many more great information coming your way. See you on the next one.